How to delete a page in Google Docs. So if the page you want to delete is at the end of everything, what you want to do is select the bottom right corner. What this will do, it will read out everything that's on this document and it will select the last possible area. So as you can see, there's nothing here, but if I added a bunch of spaces and I placed my cursor here and I selected this area, it wouldn't do anything if I deleted this. So you have to click here. So what I have to do is just hit backspace until you have deleted everything off of the page, automatically deleting the page itself. Now, for example, if you want to delete a page that's not last, if you want to delete a page that's in the middle, you have to select the start area of the next page and then hold down backspace. And that's it. If you want to delete a page from the start like this, you basically do the exact same thing. Now, if the black page was created due to a formatting issue, you could try setting up a uniform formatting by highlighting the affected section, then editing the format using the tools in the toolbar and page setup under the file. If that doesn't work, you could clear formatting for the entire document by highlighting everything. For example, this is how it will work. You would just highlight everything here, for example, and you press this icon right here that says clear formatting. Now, I don't need to do that, so I'm not gonna do it, but it may help out with your problems. And that's how you delete a page in Google Docs.